So, how exactly can we help you with online marketing? Well, let's see. First of all, we'll analyze your current website from a marketing perspective to find answers to questions like how many visitors come to your site? From what sources and devices did they come from? What is the real goal of your website? This will allow us to optimize your website to fulfill its real purpose. Secondly, search engine optimization will definitely follow. So we'll take a look at what keywords are tied to your business, what links point to your site, and most importantly, what can we do with the actual website content? That should get you better positioned on search engines' results pages. Pay-per-click campaigns are another way how we can help boost your business. These paid online campaigns can help you get more attention in search results, even on competitive keywords, can be easily tracked and measured, and are also really flexible. We can start them from today and, if you want, stop them tomorrow. Another great way to make you more visible to the rest of the world is to start being active on social media. We'll choose the network suitable for your business, develop a custom strategy to reach your fans, and monitor and maintain a good reputation for your company. Finally, we can also consider other marketing channels like email marketing, mobile marketing, or traditional offline channels. Still got questions to ask? Or just want to know exactly how our strategies can help your specific business requirements? Just contact us. We help companies and individuals like you every day.